guys. So, got a new car. Hello? Rick? Connor? What? I mean, Nathan? Honey? Jennifer? Where are you? Oh, jeez. What did they do to the warehouse? Man. What's this? A bunker? Maybe probably in the bunker. Are you guys in here? Nope. Gosh, darn it. Where could he be? Wait. Nathan. He told me that he had a secret one down below, in the ground bunker below the furnace. But I don't know exactly where it would be. Check over here. What the heck? Nathan didn't tell me about this. Alright. Well, let's just check the ground. What the heck? Over here. Brayden, what are you doing with my friends? Oh, nothing. I'm just capturing them. That's all. Where'd your arm go? Doesn't matter. I will finally get my revenge on you for all the things you've done. I saved your life, and I should have just left you there and to burn. Come on. I never told you this, but I have a son now, so why would you ever kill me? I have a son. Wait, you do? You have a son? Yeah, I do. Well, he's gonna be my next target after this shenanigans. Oh yeah? Well, I don't think so. Well, now give me this gun. What the? No. Wait, what are you doing? No. Rick! No! Rick! You... Come on, guys, we're gonna get out of here. Come on, Nathan. Rick! Are you alright, bud? Come on. Rick! Speak to me. Are you alright? Are you okay? Tell my wife to go kill herself. Rick! No! He was a good man. But hey, he was too old to be living. I'll go bury him. Alright. You guys stay here. buried. Alright. Well, we lost someone. Alright, hon. You don't need to worry. I'm always here for you and David. Alright, hon. I'm always here. Let's go. Wait. Wait a minute. Are you Luke? And what the heck? Troy?